In the first example, two words are input and checked for equality, and the result is true. In the second output, the two words look the same, but have one case difference, lowercase versus uppercase h, therefore are not considered equal. However, using this method, equals ignore case, they are considered equal since the case difference is ignored. Compare to. When two strings are compared, the ASCII values of the characters are compared, with an integer value returned representing the difference between the first occurrence of characters in the strings that are different. The -1 value here means the first word comes before the second word by a difference of 1, since A, the value 97, has a value 1 less than B, the value 98. The resulting value of +1 in this example means the first word comes after the second word by a difference of 1. Here are more examples to study. The words oatmeal and raisin have a difference of -3, since the letter O is 3 places before the letter R. The word zebra and anteater are 25 apart, since Z is 25 spaces after the letter A. The first occurrence difference in these examples come after the first letters. In this example, banana and bat have the same first 2 letters, and so the first difference is between the letters N and T, and so N minus T is a -6. In the second example, king and kindergarten both have 3 letters in common, so the first difference is between the letters G and D, with the difference of 3. Substring with 2 parameters or with 1 parameter. There are 2 versions of substring, both of which create new strings that are a portion of the original string. In the 2-parameter version, the values 1 and 4 indicate the beginning and end +1 of the substring, with the last character or the substring actually being in the position 1 less than 4. Study this very carefully. The 1-parameter version starts at that position and takes the entire rest of the string. So in this example, cracker is the input, and the substring 1, 4 starts at position 1, which is the R, and goes up to but not including position 4. So it takes R, A, C. K is in position 4. The second example takes the substring starting at position 3, which takes the C all the way to the end of the word. Here is how trim works. It simply creates a new string with any spaces at the beginning and end of the string removed. However, it does not remove embedded spaces from the original string, spaces inside. So here we input hello world with a space before and after it, and we output it before we trim it. And then we output the trimmed version of it, and you can see how the first and last spaces are trimmed off, but the middle space stays intact. 2 lowercase and 2 uppercase. These examples are fairly obvious. Notice that only the letters are affected. Digits, spaces, and symbols are not changed. So the address is 121 North Santa Clara. The lowercase version lowercases all the letters but doesn't change anything with the number. Same as the second example, which is in all uppercase. Summary. In this lesson, you learned more about the string class, discussing the concept of immutability, reviewing the input and output process, and exploring all the different methods that belong to string objects, such as length, char at, index of, equals ignore case, substring, 2 lowercase, 2 uppercase, trim, and compare to.